What's up guys, it's Eora here. I'm one of the 3 Princes of Prince, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to find fractions in amount. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've got my calculations laid out, so I'm going to wait for you to write your calculations down. And if I go too fast, you can always just pause the video. So we're going to start. So the first calculation is 1/5 of 25, and to find that you have to do 25 divided by 5. So because that's the one we're looking for. We're looking for 1/5 of 25. So if you know your times tables, you know what 25 divided by 5 is. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And then you use the answer to times it by the numerator, which is 1. So we're going to do 1 times 5 times 1, or 1 times 5, opposite. Doesn't matter. And 5 times 1 equals 5. So 1/5 of 25 equals 5. Next one, we have 2/5 of 10. So now we have the same as the other one, 10 divided by 5. And 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and the answer is right there. So now you're going to do 2 times by 2, because we're timesing the answer by the numerator. And 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2/5 of 10 equals 4. Next one. 3/5 of 35. So again, we're going to do 35 divided by 5. And 35 divided by 5 equals 7. If you know your 7 times tables, you know the answer. If you know your 5 times tables, you know the answer. So the answer is 7. You do 7 times 3, because the answer times by a numerator. We did it for the other questions. And 7 times 3 equals 21. So 3/5 of 35 equals 21. Next one. Now is 4/5 of 30. Again, like I said, we do 30 divided by 5. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. And then now you do 6 times 4, because we're like we did for the other ones, we always do the answer times by the numerator. And 6 times 4 equals 24. So 4/5 of 30 equals 24. Now we're going to move on. Instead of doing fifths, we're going to move on to sixths. So we're going to do 1/6 of, let's do 30 equals. So again, as we did for all the other questions, we're going to do 30 divided by 6. And 30 divided by 6, which is 5. So you might already know the answer, because we need to times the answer by our numerator, which is 1. So 5 times 1 equals 5. So therefore, 1/6 of 30 equals 5. Next calculation we're going to do is 2/6 of 18 equals. So now again, we're going to do 18 divided by 6. That's our main calculation. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Then again, 3 times 2, or you could do 2 times 3, doesn't matter what way. 3 times 2 equals 6. So therefore, 2/6 of 18 equals 6. So now I'm going to do 3/6 of, let's do 24. of 24 equals, so now again 24 divided by 6 is quite an easy one. Oops, there's some mistakes. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. And now we're going to do 4 times by 3 because that's the answer and that's the numerator. And 4 times 3 equals 12. So therefore, 3/6 of 24 equals 12. Next one, we're going to do 4/6 now of, let's go 42 equals. So now we're going to do 42 divided by 6 as usual. 42 divided by 6 equals 12. So now what we're going to do is 12 times by 4 because we're always going to be doing the answer times by the numerator. And 12 times 4 equals 48. So therefore, 4/6 of 42 equals 48. I'm going to stop there because I don't want to go any further. So I'm just going to explain it again so you understand. So what we did here, this was a simple one. We just did 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And then we did the answer times by the numerator, which was 1. So we did 5 times 1, which gave us 5. Then here, it was 2/5 of 10, which we got 4. Because we did that by doing 10 divided by 5 equals 2, right there. Then we did 2 times 2 equals 4. 3/5 of 35, again, we got 21. We did 5 divided by 5 equals 7. And then we did 7 times by 3, which equals 21. The answer. 4/5 of 30, we got 24. Again, 30 divided by 5, which was 6. And then 6 times 4 equals 24. Because there's 6 and there's 4. Then we went on to 6th. So we had 1/6 of 30, which equals 5. We got that by doing 30 divided by 6, which is 5, because 5 times 6 equals 30. And then 5 times 1 equals 5. So we got 5. 2/6 of 18, we got 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. And then 3 times 2 equals 6. 3/6 of 24, again 12. We did 24 divided by 6, which were these two, which gave us 4. Then we had 4 times 3 equals 12. Last one, we had 4/6 of 42 equals 48. And then we got 48. The way we did that was 42 divided by 6 equals 12. Then we did 12 times by 4 equals 48. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And next time I'm going to do how to find fractions in the amount. But that next time I'm going to do 7th. And if you like this video, don't forget to comment down if there's anything else you want me to do. And smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.